Welcome back, children. So one day what happens in this story that Tommy finds a real book. A real book means the book which he can hold in his hand. You know that they have read only e-books. So this book that Tommy has found is totally new to him. He has never seen such a book in his life. So he comes and shows the book to his friend Margie, and they find that the book is about school. Okay, they find that the book is about school. They start reading it. Here I want to tell you, students, that Tommy is not very much interested about the school of the past, but Margie is. टॉमी बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट नहीं दिखाता है इस बुक की तरफ और स्कूल की तरफ जो कि पुराने ज़माने में होते थे, बट मार्जी इज़ वेरी मच एक्साइटेड. वाई टॉमी इज़ नॉट सो इंटरेस्टेड? बिकॉज टॉमी फील्स that this book is totally waste. Once you have read this book, you have to throw it away. Because, once you have read it, you can't find anything different. But this is not the case with the computer screen. Computer screen offers so many different things every time you come to sit in front of it. Okay, Tommy feels that my computer screen is always new. It can have so many different things at a time. I can never throw it away. It can never be useless. But this book, once you have finished reading it, it is always the same. You can't search new things in the same book, in the one book. Okay, so Tommy is not very much excited about the school of the past and the book of the past, but Margie is. Margie, I want to tell you, students, that she hates her own school. She hates her mechanical teacher, she hates geography, she doesn't like homework that is given to her. And after reading the book of the past, she gets even more nostalgic. And she is drawn to the students of the past, to the school of the past. Okay, one day what happens, her mechanical teacher develops some kind of glitches, develops some kind of problem in his system. Okay, there is some problem in the system of the mechanical teacher. So Margie's mother calls a county inspector for the repairing. Students, county inspector doesn't mean the policeman here, but it means a man who can do some repairing to the machine. Okay, so county inspector comes and he does the repairing in no time. वो आते हैं और मशीन को तुरंत ठीक कर देते हैं. So Margie becomes sad again. She was expecting that there will be some time that she will be relieved. The machine will be taken away. The teacher will be taken away. But it is not the same. She again has to study. She again has to start taking lesson. And one day while she is taking her lessons, she grows nostalgic about the school of the past. Okay, her reluctance towards her own school grows even deeper, and she starts thinking about the students of the past, how they used to have fun together, how they used to go to a school together, they used to sit in the class. Now they don't have the privilege. Tommy and Margie don't have this privilege. They have only one room, their own room, which they call their school. They are sitting alone in their room with the mechanical teacher. There is no one else to have to talk to. There is no one else who they can love with. Okay, so she feels that my life is so boring, but the students of the past, they had a very interesting life. So the fun they had actually refers to the students of the past, the kind of fun they used to have together. Okay, I hope you have understood it. Please go through the chapter yourself. Thank you.